Hey, in this video, I'll share a very key, it's actually the most fundamental concept when to create content like a pro. If you're struggling to create content, like for example, videos, podcast, blog, anything, if you're struggling to do that, then watch this Daily Dynamo. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm 𝗀𝗵𝘁 and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hi. How to create content like a pro? Well, it's very simple. Well, let me tell you, when I started off creating content, like when I started out being a coach, and I had a lot of information and I wanted to share the strategies I had, and I would come down, sit in front of the laptop and start writing a blog, or like switch on the mobile phone and put it in front of the camera and start to do a video. And each one of those scenarios, I would freeze. Like I would be like, what do I talk? And I would blabber on. I would not know how to frame my sentences. I wouldn't even know how to have a call to action. And I would struggle. I would probably end up repeating certain words. And I noticed that when the other professionals, the other speakers, the other coaches who I admire, and I looked at and all the established brands, they don't do that. All of their videos and every content, every piece of information, content they produced was perfect. So I asked, what's going on? I have knowledge, I have same enthusiasm, and I'm eager to help. That's when I noticed. It's got nothing to do with my eagerness, nothing to do with my strategy or my content. But there was one thing missing, and I'm sure you can relate it to. The key thing to creating content like a pro is to realize that it's a two-step process. That's right. First step is content creation. Content creation is creating ideas, creating solutions. That's all it is. So when you have an idea, and a thought comes to your mind, a strategy comes to your mind, it's actually an idea to solve a particular problem. You just need to write it down. Write it down in different ways, like in bullet points, and a sentence, a line, or even trace back to find out what the actual problem is for which you got the idea. Because that's content creation. You're creating ideas. You're coming up with new frameworks, new systems, and to help your ideal client. That's it. All you need to do that content creation first step is a piece of paper and pen. That's it. The second part of it is content production. That's right. Now, content production is where you take the idea you created into multiple media formats. You can convert a simple idea, like for example, take a look at this podcast or this video which I'm creating. The idea that content creation is two-step. I'm making a video now, and I'm going to take the same concept and create a blog. I'm going to create infographics. I can create a 20-minute presentation. I can create a webinar around it. And actually, I can also do a full-day workshop in detail and helping my clients practice the two-step of content creation, help them do ideas, and also help them produce videos, produce blogs, produce content. So I can do a one full-day workshop. As you can see, it's creating one idea and producing many formats. So you can take one idea and see what content you want to produce. You want to produce blogs, you want to produce videos, podcasts, or simply quotes or social media posts, anything. And that's the production part. So very often, if you are you're going straight to production without creating, is when you have the freeze, when you'll be like, what do I do next? Like, what do I speak? How do I create? What colors do I use? What graphics do I use? Like, who do I delegate it to? Like, your confusion because you haven't created it. Because when you're creating, you are thinking of the problem you're solving. You're thinking of your ideal client. You're thinking of all those key elements when you're creating. And because once you create, you have embedded the brand, your target audience, your products you want to upsell, or the call to action you want to have, all of that in the creation. And then when you produce, you know exactly what to produce. So once you produce, Then you go on to Hootsuite or any scheduling software you have, or any person you want to, like, you go and market and go and share what you produced. That's the next step. So as you can notice, just content production, like content creation, is a two-step process. You create your idea first, and then you produce them. That's right. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is now, I want you to take and see how you can take this idea which you got and visit your camera and create a video and start producing content. Hope you like this video. Bye. Hey, this is Chinmai Swami, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free